Woke up to a brand new morning. The sun is shining through my eyes. Yesterday is gone, I'm learning. Today I spread my wings and rise. Every fear I left behind, every tear I had to cry. Let me hear, I feel the fire. Hello 2026. I rise. I hear laughter in the distance. I feel the heartbeat of the day. I won't let shadows steal persistence. I choose light and make my way. Every step a celebration, every breath a new surprise. I'm unstoppable, determined. Hello 2026. I rise. I forgive what slowed me down. I release what made me frown. Every lesson, every fight led me to this shining light. Hello 2026. I rise. I see hope reflected in the skies. Every dream I held inside today will bloom. I won't hide. Hello 2026. I shine. The future's waiting, now is mine. I've been patient, I've been wise. Hello 2026. I rise. I was small, but now I'm bigger. I was lost, but now I'm sure. Every fear is just a trigger to remind me I endure. Step by step I claim my flight. Step by step I chase the light. I won't stop, I won't disguise. Hello 2026. I rise. I rise. Hello. Hello 2026. Resistance. I choose light and make my way. Every step a celebration, every breath a new surprise. I'm unstoppable, determined. Hello 2026. I rise. I forgive what slowed me down. I release what made me frown. Every lesson, every fight 2026 I rise. I was small but now I'm bigger. I was lost but now I'm sure. Every fear is just a trigger to remind me I endure. Step by step I claim my flight. Step by step I chase the light. I won't stop, I won't disguise. Hello 2026. I rise, I rise. Hello, hello 2026.